Just an idea of the winds here in Waikoloa today. You might be able to hear it.
Oh, a little brown funnel out there. Do you see?
Little brown, oh.
Barely visible.
Hard to see.
Hard to see, but...
But it's pouring down in Kona.
Pouring in Kona.
Here's our little garden with the bok choy and bean sprouts and leeks coming out. Tomato plants. And there's the rain. You can actually see the rain down in Kona. The guy who bought the tile from us today said he was driving through that back home. There's Debbie standing in the wind with my new sunglasses. Show him your new sunglasses, or my new sunglasses.